अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। कल हमने प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन डिस्कस किया। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट वेल। और एक बात याद रखनी है कि जो प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन है, इट सिंपली शोज द फंक्शनल रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन इनपुट्स एंड आउटपुट, और इट्स टेक्निकल और टेक्नोलॉजिकल रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन फैक्टर इनपुट्स एंड प्रोडक्ट आउटपुट। नाउ लेट्स टुडे डिस्कस द टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन. There are mainly two types of production function. One is constant proportions type, and another is variable proportion type production function. Now let us discuss these one by one. In constant proportion type production function, all inputs continue to be used in some constant proportion, no matter what the level of output is. Are you getting me? All inputs continue to be used in some constant proportion, no matter what the level of output is. For example, if labor and capital are two inputs used in the ratio, if labor and capital are the two units of inputs used in the ratio 4:1, that's 4 units of labor combined with 1 unit of capital, then this ratio or the proportion of 4:1 continues to be constant for different levels of output. It continues to be constant. It continues to be same for different levels of output. As students of economics, you should note one thing, that when all inputs are changed in the constant ratio, when all inputs are changed in constant ratio, when all inputs are used in constant ratio, scale of production is supposed to have changed. In that case, scale of production changes. Now, what is scale of production? Scale of production refers to production capacity of the firm. Large scale production implies high production capacity. Small scale production implies low production capacity. When a firm shifts from small scale to large scale, it is shifting from a small plant to a big plant. But very important it's to note that changing the scale is possible only in the long run. In fact, the very definition of long run is it's a period of time during which the scale of production or size of plant or production capacity can be changed. लॉन्ग रन में हम पूरी स्केल ऑफ प्रोडक्शन चेंज कर सकते हैं. स्केल ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कैन बी चेंज. दैट्स both the factors, fixed as well as variable. And one thing you must understand and keep in mind, that in long run no factor appears to be fixed. All factors are variable in the long run, right? On the other hand, in short run, some factors are fixed and some are variable, because it's a period of time during which the scale of production cannot be changed. तो इन दो बातों से हमें एक अहम बात समझ में आती है कि जो कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शन टाइप प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन है, ये एक लॉन्ग पीरियड पॉसिबिलिटी है. लॉन्ग पीरियड पॉसिबिलिटी, लॉन्ग पीरियड पॉसिबिलिटी, ऐसा हम लॉन्ग रन में कर सकते हैं. and not a short period possibility. समझ गए? So in constant proportion type production function, what we get, it's basically the scale of production is changed, and it is possible when we are in the long run, and the constant proportion type production function is itself a long run possibility. ठीक, तो यहाँ constant proportion में ratio continues to be the same as it was here, 4:1. It could be 8:2. It means that we are changing both the inputs. The whole scale has been changed. 16:3. 20:4. You see here change, here change, here both are changing. Right? From one scale to another. 4 workers, 1 machine. 8 workers, 2 machines. 16 workers, 3 machines. Right? तो अगर हम ग्राफिकली ये एक्सप्रेस करना चाहें तो द ग्राफ विल बी लाइक दिस. आप इस ग्राफ को ध्यान से देख लीजिए. Here is a straight line shooting from the origin. The line shows the constant ratio in which labor, which we show on x-axis, and capital, which is shown on y-axis, are implied for different levels of output. Thus here if you see L1, K1 L1 by OL1 is equal to K2 L2 by OL2. That is, in the first case our ratio was 4:1. In the second, let it be 8:2, but the ratio again is same. Right? The ratio remains constant. If we still go ahead, then third situation will be 12:3, again 4:1. Right? Here we are changing the scale, but in some constant ratio. Both the levels, both the inputs, labor and capital, are changed, increased, but in the constant ratio. Right? एंड एक बात आपने यहाँ याद रखनी है कि ऐसा हम कब कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ लॉन्ग रन में ये पॉसिबिलिटी. और जो कांस्टेंट प्रपोर्शन टाइप प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन है, इट्स सेल्फ अ लॉन्ग रन कंसेप्ट. It's possible only in the long run. Right? So this is constant proportion type production function. जो हमारा नेक्स्ट होगा, that will be variable proportion type production function. How that works, let us see it in the next lecture. Thank you very much.